In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite for beginners. If you are new to social media scheduling, this will walk you through the simplest way to create and publish a post using Hootsuite. By the end, you will feel confident posting to the account you want, with the right text and any media you want to include. To begin, open Hootsuite and look for the option that lets you publish content. You will want to click Create a Post. This is usually located in the main dashboard area, or near the top of the screen depending on your layout. Clicking that option starts the posting workflow, so you can immediately choose where your post will go and what it will say. Take a moment to make sure you are in the composer or posting screen after you click it. Next, you will select the social account you want to post to. After you click Create a Post, you should see a section or drop-down menu labeled for choosing an account. Select a social account that matches the audience you want to reach. For example, if you manage multiple profiles, this is where you choose whether you are posting to one account or another. This step matters because it ensures your post appears in the correct place and uses the right permissions and settings for that profile. Once you have chosen the account, you can enter your post text. Look for the text field in the composer, then type the message you want to share. Keep an eye on any character count or formatting hints that may appear near the text box, since different platforms have different limits. If you are including a link, a mention, or hashtags, this is the moment to add them. Try to write clearly and directly, and review your text before moving on, so your message is exactly what you intend to publish. After your text looks good, you can consider whether you want to add media. The instructions say to add an image or video if needed, and this is optional depending on what you are sharing. If the post would benefit from visuals, look for an attachment button or an option to upload media within the composer. Then choose an image or a video file to include. As you add media, it is also smart to check that it previews correctly, since some platforms crop or resize content automatically. Taking a quick second to confirm the preview helps prevent surprises after publishing. Now that your account is selected, your text is entered, and your media is added if needed, you are ready to publish. The final action is to click Post Now. When you press this, Hootsuite will send your post to the platform you selected. Depending on the connection speed and platform processing time, it may take a moment for the post to appear in your feed. After clicking, it is a good idea to wait briefly and then check that the post was published successfully. That is the full process for creating a post in Hootsuite as a beginner. Create a post, choose the correct social account, enter your post text, add an image or video only when it is useful, and then click Post Now to publish. That covers everything you need to know.